Well, I should say, well, you should be telling me welcome back. It is Miss T, the passive incomepreneur here, coming at you with another tutorial on showing you over 100 ways to make money, make passive income. We're using print on demand, Canva, and I'm going to even introduce digital products. Thank you guys so much for liking, subscribing, and commenting. Please make sure you join me on all of my platforms. Let's get started. You guys know what's upon us, Q4, and it's the most wonderful time of the year to get this money, honey. So we got to get into it. All right, so we're going to head over to Printify, okay? You can get the link in my description. It is, you can set up a free account. They do have a premium account as well, where some of the products will be a little cheaper. But it's a free account, and Printify is going to be your distributor. They are your manufacturer. That's how they operate. So we're going to look at notebooks and journals that they do have there. I see some stickers too. That's another tutorial we're going to go over. So we're going to pick a journal that they have there that's very popular. Now we're gonna get the size and everything that we need to go ahead and then put in Canva. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get silent because y'all already know I've been getting feedback that you hear my baby in the background. I know she's turning 1 in a couple of weeks. And Lord help me. And then she's like 5 babies in 1. So I'm gonna go ahead and tone down. I'm gonna write some notes here and pop up back in between the video so you guys can enjoy the tutorial in a nice fashion without my baby screaming in the back. All right, you know, moms, we gotta do what we gotta do, honey. Okay. All right. So look at what I'm doing. I'm using some elements and backgrounds in Canva to develop my design. So go ahead, check it out. my tutorial, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe and follow me on all my social media platforms. I have another tutorial coming up, yes, because I know time is of the essence, so make sure you look out for that. Turn on the post notification bell. Later.